welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show y'all how I colored and installed this U-part wig that I got from my collection, stylebykel.com. So I forgot to do like a real before, but the wig was a 1B color, as you can kind of see, and this was me giving it a bleach bath. So instead of bleaching it the regular way, I just mixed the bleach developer and water all in a big bucket, and I just like soaked the wig in that. Like I saturated it in it, and then I soaked it in there for about 15-20 minutes, and then after it came out this color, and once it got light enough, like I washed everything out, and then y'all gonna see what it looks like after I dry it. After I did the bleach bath, I did the watercolor method with the fuchsia, Adore Fuchsia colors. I started off with 1 bottle, but I ended up needing 2, so you might as well start off with 2 bottles, and then mix that in the hot water. And I was dipping it in there, but then I let it soak for about 30 minutes, and that's when it actually took the color after I let it soak. So the color came out really nice. It matched my hair color pretty well, and this is what it looks like when it's all blow dried. Next, you're just gonna see me put some curls in it and pin curl it, and then I also added some layers in the front. And then I'm gonna show you how I installed it after this. Okay, so I don't know who told me it would be a good idea to just brush my curls out instead of fully blow drying it. I thought I was saving myself some heat damage, but I ended up just stressing myself out even more because the braid down took way longer than it should have. It hurt like crazy because the hair was just still tangled up, even though I tried to brush it out. No. Next time I'm definitely blow drying my hair out fully, but for this install, I did not blow dry my hair out fully. I just brushed the curls out and tried to do it that way. But I cut off the lace that was on the U part of the wig, and I used that to kind of measure what my leave out was gonna be. And then you're gonna see me do like my anchor braids around the leave out, and then the rest of the braids, I'm just braiding the hair down. Like, you could literally just do 2 braids if you want to do 2 braids for like the rest of the hair. But I ended up doing like 4 or 5 braids, I think. And yeah, those are just get the job done type of braids. You don't gotta be nothing special. It was nothing special at all. It was just to get the hair down so I could put the wig on it. But yeah, I'm gonna let y'all watch this part, and then I'm gonna come back on the next part. So once I finally got that braid down done, this is me sewing that last braid into the rest of the hair, and then I'm putting the wig on to like try to figure out, place it basically where I want it placed so that I can like just start sewing it effortlessly. I sewed it on one side first, and I started on the other side and like kind of met around, and I just sewed it at the top. There's combs in the U part, but I think I only used like one of the combs in the back. I don't know. I was more so just trying to sew it down. I didn't really care to use the combs. But yeah, this is me sewing it down. And then you're going to see me do my leave out. Disclaimer, I barely like flat iron my leave out, okay? Because I knew, mind you, again, this is like, well, I didn't say this already, but this is 2 a.m, you guys. I'm in the shop at 2 a.m. getting this done. I already knew I wasn't about to go crazy on a leave out because I knew the next day I was going to have to touch it up again because the weather was kind of gloomy. So I was like, I'm going to just do the leave out enough to where I could see what's going on, but I'm not like, I knew I was going to have to put heat on it again. So I was just trying to save myself some heat damage, not putting too much heat on it because I did just color my hair not too long ago. So I was taking lazy routes, but you get the picture. So this is the final look. I did really like it, except my hair was kind of longer than the layers, and I was getting on my nerves, but I was not about to cut my hair. So I was just, I let it be. But, let me know in the comments what you think. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to your girl, because I got more content coming soon.